So guys, last class we have discussed about the DRL command select a statement. It is a normal select a statement command. So whatever the command you will write in a select a statement, that will come under the DRL command. So in the last class we have seen that we fetch data from single table. So you can join multiple table also in select a statement, and you can fetch the data from multiple tables. That will discuss in joins. That will discuss in joins. So to last class also we have discussed about the create command, how to create a new table in the database. We have discussed about the create command, how to create the new tables in the database. So if you have any doubt on this, let me know for the create command. One person shared me yesterday the screenshot for the
Yes, I shared one issue with you on the WhatsApp. I'm unable to create the table.
can you
Some
share the
error.
query?
Yeah, beta.
Here's the
Just
query there.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. Just I'm just on my laptop.
Yeah,
Meanwhile, we can go ahead. I will share.
yeah, sure, sure. So that error is coming now for you. The name is already there, but that table name.
That batch underscore 41
Ah,
table is already exist, right? That's
so
why.
you have to
Oh,
give another name.
another table. Okay,
Hmm.
okay,
Try with another table. Okay.
okay, fine.
So guys, whenever you create the table name, so if that table name is already there in the schema, so you'll not able to create that table. So you have to create with the different table name. If table name is already there, it will throw error. So that is one thing is there. So another thing is that like last class we have seen that how to create table with a single column, how to create table with a multiple columns. Okay. So I'll show you again one or two tables. Okay. Because assignment I gave, how many of you have done assignment, guys? Only one person has done assignment. 2%. Please, whenever I give assignment, please do the assignment. Okay. So next class, I'll like once the batch will be finalized, I'm going to check everyone assignment. Okay. So you have to do the assignment every day. Whenever I'll give the assignment, you have to complete it. Now I'll create one more table. So last class I told you that. Last class we have told how to create a table called school. Okay. So if you want to create a table called school, so you can create with the create command, create table, school, and in this student name, varchar, varchar 30, then student roll number, let's give number, can we give 40 here? Can we give
Not
40?
not required, na? Uh, 40 for
Not
roll number.
not required means like can we give 44
Uh,
number data type?
no, I'm not getting.
So for number data type, maximum we can assign as a 38 length only. More than
Okay.
38 it will not take. So that's what I was saying. Student roll number,
Number.
student
Okay.
parent name to Then what else, guys? Student grade,
Date of birth.
varchar, or it will be number? Grade.
Varchar, na?
Character will come on in this, correct? Let's make it as a two character. Then
Date of
date
birth.
of birth. Date of birth, which data type we have to take?
Date.
The data type. Then what else?
Yeah, that's it for school table.
What else column we can add?
Address means blood group, contact number.
Section we can say.
Section will be what? Varchar or number?
Varchar.
Let's make it this table one. Is the syntax is correct, guys? Everyone?
For date of birth, it must be date, right?
Sorry? Date, yes.
Date, huh?
Other syntax is fine. Yeah, so table is created a school table. Let's see the structure of this school table, okay? So DSC and school, it will give you the structure of this table. Now see, these are the column we have added and we are getting those column details also. Varchar we have assigned, but it's taking as a varchar 2. Number, if you'll give more than 38 digit, it will throw error. Let's take this one, 41, and give number as a 50. It will throw error. Numeric precision, if specifier is out of range, it should be in a range of 1 to 38 only. It should be in a range of 1 to 38 only. Okay, so like this you can create it. Okay, so like this you can create, do practice more. Okay, so this is the basic thing. They may not ask you this question in interview. So next one will be the drop command. Any doubt in create command, anyone?
No. So Jay, my
Uh,
that batch 41 table is created. Yeah, I just saw.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
sir,
Sorted.
I have a doubt on
Tell me.
if we need more than 38 means what we can do.
More than 38 in the number.
Yeah,
But what requirement you will have more than 38? So if you see more than 38, up to 38 number, if you see here, can you count this all number? How many it become? Can you count this number?
it's more, sir. I can.
So it's not required only. It's a 38 number itself is a very big number, very big number. 38 digits also you can't count. So that not required only those things. This
Okay,
is
sir.
how much. This is how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 38 like this. It is there. Means like 4 digit or more, 5 digit or more. So if you remove 5 digit also, now also you can't count. Now also you can't count. It's a very big number. Okay. So this much is value in digit. It's a huge, not required only more than that.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay, guys. So next one will be the drop command. Read this one, guys. It's very, very easy. Straightforward. Drop command. Very easy. Okay, guys. So if you see a drop command, what is this drop command? What this drop command says, no? You have created a table. You have created a table, and that table consider that some 10 column, 15 column, 30 column, 100 column is there. And you have 1 million record also. In that 1 million record or 100 record or 200 record, how many records are there in that table? Okay, so if you want to delete that table permanently, if you want to delete that table permanently, then you are going to use drop command. So you have a requirement to delete a table permanently from database, then you are going to use drop command. So drop is very simple. Drop is used to delete both the structure and record or data stored in the table. So whatever the record you will store in the table and data structure itself will be deleted. Means what? The moment you will then delete drop table name, whole table structure plus data will be deleted. Like completely the table full identity will be deleted from the database. So that is what the drop command. Drop is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. A drop statement in SQL removes the component from a relational database. Like full instances will be deleted. Later on, after performing drop command, if you want to retrieve it back that table, you'll not able to do it. Once you run the drop command, it's gone. The table is gone. You can't change further. You can't change further. You can't change it further. So that is what the drop command. Okay. So very simple, very simple. Only thing you have to remember that the moment you will use the drop table name, the table instances will be deleted, including your table data plus table structure. What is the meaning of table structure? So this is the table structure. When I write DSC school, I'll get the structure of this table. So this is the structure of the table. What will be the data? Whatever the data this school table will hold, that will be called as school data, table data. I'll show you some of the tables which I have created earlier. So in that, we have some of the, you know, data included in that. Let's see that, consider that we have Jet Airways reservation. Okay. So select the star from JIT AL reservation. So this is the table name, JIT AL reservation.
From yeah.
So how many records are there? So consider that we have 5 records are there. If I'll use drop table, and this table name, drop table, and then this table name, what will happen, guys?
Table gets deleted.
Table with full instances will be deleted for this one. You cannot retrieve it back. The moment you will run drop command, after that, if you want to retrieve the table, you will not able to retrieve the table. Now you run and then see. Now I'm able to see the data inside this, as well as I'm able to see the structure of this table. I'm able to see the structure of this table. Okay, I'm able to see the structure of this table. So the moment you will run this one, it's gone. Table is gone. Now there is no information available in the database. It's gone. The table is gone. The moment I run drop table name, it's gone. And then structure also gone. Structure also gone. Sound is not coming, guys. Whoever is facing sound problem, please restart your laptop or rejoin. Check your settings. Everyone getting my sound?
Yes.
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 So this is one thing. Okay. Another thing is that consider that I'll take one more table. Let's take it like, let's see. Select a star from decode table, and we'll see some of the data. Now see, these are the data are there. How many records? Again, 5 records and 2 columns are there. What will happen if I'll use drop command, guys? These are the table I have created in the previous batch, Guys, go tell me, Swati, just check your laptop setting or something, because maybe like other people, they are getting sound. You have to rejoin, otherwise rejoin. Okay. Now, what will happen, guys, if I'll use drop table decode?
It will
Drop
delete completely.
table decode. Table will be deleted. Table will be deleted completely. Full instances will be gone. So what is the structure of this table? DSC decode will be able to see the structure of the table. Data is this one. Full data is this one. And then we have the structure. This is the structure. So the moment I run this query, this will be gone. The table is gone. You will not able to see anything. Table is gone. DSC, it's gone. Table or view does not exist. So last class I have created a table. So now see, whatever the table you are creating, you will be able to see this. See batch 41, all these things table you are able to see. Even though whatever I have deleted now, you are able to see these details. Okay, but when you refresh this table, one, then you will not able to see. Now you are able to see decode also, and jet airways rejection. The moment you will refresh this one, you will not able to see. Now it's gone. You will not able to find decode and jet airways resolution table. Okay. Last class I have created batch 41. Okay. In that student name, student mobile number I have created. Now see, if you want to delete those tables, you can, or we have created the school table, correct? Like if you see here, school, what is the structure of this school? So this many columns are there in the school table. Okay. Now, if I want to delete the table, what we have to write, guys?
Drop table.
Drop table school.
Drop table and then
School.
school. So it will be completely, it will be deleted. It's gone. Now table is gone. Run this. It's gone. Object school does not exist. Got it, guys? Easy?
Yes.
Any doubt in this? Okay, guys. So now we are going to discuss about the alter command. So what happened in alter command now? Alter command is having requirement like, consider that you want to add a new column. You have created a table. You have created a table and you want to add a new column. In that table, if you want to add a new column, rename a column and tables. Rename a columns and tables. Then delete a columns and delete a columns. If you want to delete a column from the existing table. If you want to change the data type and length from existing table columns, then you can use alter command. So what are the use of this alter command is, you can add a new column in existing table. Consider that one XYZ table you have, and in that XYZ table, already 10 columns are there. Already 10 columns are there. And you want to add some few more, 4-5 columns, then you can use alter command. You can add single column also, you can add multiple column also. If you want to delete some out of 10 columns, you want to delete some columns, you want to delete some column, or you want to drop some column, then you are going to use alter command. If you want to rename the column as well as the table, then you are going to use alter command. If you want to change the data type and size of a column in database or in the existing table, then also you can use alter command. This alter command is very, very useful. This alter command is very, very useful, guys. So what it means, this alter command, in interview they will ask you that, what is alter command? What are the actions you can perform using alter command? Please elaborate. They will ask you in interview. So that time you have to be ready. Okay. So alter command is a DDL command. We know that alter command is a DDL command. And alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table. What it will do? What alter command will do? It will modify the structure of existing table. This concept is true only because the moment when you'll add a new column or drop a new column or renaming a table and all, it means what? You are modifying the structure of table. You are modifying the structure of table. So that is what the alter command. So definition is saying that alter command is DDL command used to modify the structure of used to modify the structure of existing table. The structure of existing table by in database by adding a new column, by dropping a columns, by dropping a columns. Okay, and by dropping a columns, by renaming a column or the table name, or modifying the data types. Using all this command, you can modify the structure of table. What are the actions we can perform using alter command? We can add a new column. We can add a new column in existing table using alter command. We can add new column in existing table using alter command. We can delete existing column from a table. We can delete or drop existing column from a table. Okay. We can rename a column name or a table name using alter command. Then we can change the data type and length. We can change the data type and length in existing table for a column. So these are the actions we can perform using alter command. We'll see one by one what are the actions we can perform. Just read this one, guys. Oh yes, so if you see here, what is this alter add command? What is this alter add command? So what add command will do, it will add a new columns from an existing table. In from an existing table, we add command will alter command will add a new column. If you have a requirement, you have to add a new column in existing table, then you are going to use alter command. You can add single column, you can add multiple columns. You can add single column, also you can add multiple columns. If you see here, alter table name, add a column name data type size. Add column name data type size. Means what? You can add a single column using this syntax. Alter table name, add single column you can add using this column. Whatever the table name you want to give, which column you want to add, that column name you have to mention. Which column you want to add here, that column name you have to give, and for this column name, what data type you want to assign and the size. New column will be added. Okay. If you have a requirement to add multiple columns, then alter table name, add inside the bracket. Inside the bracket, you can write n number of columns. Inside the bracket, you can write n number of columns. N number of columns you can add n number of columns you can add here. Okay, so we'll see that how we can do it. We have a syntax ready. These are the query, you will also get it, guys. These are the query, you will also get it. I already have shared the practice document. So if you have not received the practice document, share your mail ID. I'll provide you the practice document. Like last class, if you have seen, I gave the access here. Now see, sorry, supportive batch. So I have given you, many people is having this software access. So if you go here or SQL Docs for practice, you will be able to see many things in there. Whatever we are discussing, that is also available. See, DDL command, and then create command, drop command, alter command. Okay, all the queries also available. Now see, whatever you see, the query is also there. Okay, so just refer this document and then do practice. So now we are going to create a table. Now we are going to create a table with a few columns. Consider that I'm going to create a table called employee here. I'm going to create a table called employee here. Okay. So in this employee, we have already employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary is there. Okay. So in this employee table, we have employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary. The moment you will create this one, the table will be created. Now see, employee table is created. With what are the columns? With employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary. So already 6 columns are there in this table. So what is the structure of this table? You see here, you can write DSC, DSC and then employee. DSC and employee, you will get all the details here. How many columns are there? Now see, this many columns are there. This many columns are there. Now what this many columns are there. Okay. Okay. Now I want to add a column. I want to add a single column in this. So what is the syntax of that? We are going to write it here. Alter table. Table name is employee, and I want to add which column, guys?
Address.
So address column I'm going to add. So address column, if you check, you will not able to see the here address column. So I'm going to add a single address column. For this, I have assigned data type as a varchar2 and I have given the length as 100. The moment I will run this, the column will be added in the last. The column will be added in the last in the same table. Now you see, I ran table employee altered. Now see the structure of this table. Now if you see here, this is added in the last of the column details. In the structure, if you see in the structure, you are able to see here address column added and varchar2 and 100 is also assigned. Okay, so now if you see next syntax, how many columns we are adding here in this next syntax, guys?
3,
So how many columns we are adding here?
3,
Address one, address.
2 or 3?
3.
Okay, address
Three.
is already there, na? Address
Address
plus
home, underscore home. This is different.
So address home, city, pin code, 3 columns we are adding. Already address we have added. Now it becomes 7 columns. Now if I'll run this query, the 3 columns will be added here. The 3 columns will be added here. Now you see here, you run this one. These 3 columns will be added in the last. The 3 columns will be added in the existing table in the last. Now see, it's altered. Now if you see the structure of this table, DSC, and then table name, you see these 3 columns will be added in the last. Now see, is it clear? Everyone clear? If you want to add a single column and you want to add multiple columns, those syntax as well as practically we have seen. And your task is to create a table with a few columns and then do add methods. Okay. So this is what the your alter command add columns. Alter command add method. Is it clear, guys, everyone? Any doubt in this add
yes.
columns? Okay, if you don't have any doubt, please go through drop column. If you want drop column from a table, okay? So if you want to delete or drop a column from existing table, then we are going to use alter and drop method. So in this above query, if you see here, alter table is a keyword. This is fixed only. And whatever the table, whichever the column from the table you want to delete, that column name you have to give. Again, add is the keyword here. Add is the keyword here. Okay. So you have to remember this syntax. In interview, they will ask you what is, how can you add a new column in a table? Then you have to tell the same thing. I'll tell you the shortcut method. How can you remember this definition easily, so that I'll tell you in some time. Now, if you see here drop command, just read this one. So what happened here, when you see here drop column from a table, if you want to delete, any column, consider that I want to delete address, or I want to delete address, or I want to delete phone number. Okay, so you are going to use alter command with a drop combined. Okay, alter command with a drop, you are going to delete a column from a database or existing table. So using alter command, we can delete column from also from a table. We can delete a column also from a table. Okay, what is the syntax? If you want to drop, if you want to delete single column, then this is the syntax. If you want to delete single column, then this is the syntax. If you want to delete multiple columns, then this is the syntax. If you want to delete single column, if you want to delete single column, then this is the syntax. If you want to delete multiple columns, then this is the syntax. Okay. Now, if you see here, what is the syntax? First syntax is saying that alter table name, drop column name. When you want to drop single column, then alter table name, drop column name. So alter table name is a if you see here earlier syntax and this syntax, this is the common thing. This is the common thing. And for all the alter command, initial alter table name is common. Alter table name is common. All the places this is common. So you don't have to write, don't have to remember full thing. For all the 5 alter command, this is the same thing only. One time if you remember, that will be applicable for all. That will be applicable for all. So if you want to delete a single column, then this is the syntax, alter table name, drop column name. You just have to mention the column name, guys. And this is the keyword, drop column is the keyword. You have to mention the drop column as a keyword. You will be able to drop the column. You will be able to drop the column, guys. When you use alter table name, drop column name. You have to mention column here when you are dropping single column. But if you'll observe next syntax where I'm deleting multiple columns, where I'm deleting multiple columns, there you'll see that alter table name, drop, open the bracket, column name 1, column name 2, column name 1, column name 2, all these things you can add it. Alter table name, drop, column name 1, column name 2. So here, multiple columns will be included under brackets, parenthesis. Okay, alter table name, drop in single bracket, in a small bracket, column name 1, column name 2, column name 3, column name 4. How many columns you want to delete? That many columns you can mention here. That many columns you can mention here. We'll see practically how can we delete it. We'll see practically how can we delete it. Okay, so what we can write it here, we have a query ready. You will also get it in your practice document. Now see, now I'm going to drop a column. So when I want to drop a single column, so this query will delete which column, guys?
Address column.
Sorry, address column.
Address.
Yeah. So it will delete address column. Let's drop address home. Let's drop address home column. Now which column it will delete?
Address home column.
The moment I will run this query, address home will be deleted. Address home will be deleted. Now see, table employee altered. Table employee altered. So this column name will be deleted. When you see here address home, when I run DSC employee, it will go off. Now see, this is gone. Address home is gone. Now, in second query, I'm deleting 2 columns. Which are the columns I'm deleting? 2 columns. Now, which are the columns it will delete?
City and pin code.
City pin code.
City and pin code, guys. City and pin code will be deleted. City and pin code will be deleted. Now run this one, it's gone. It will be, you will not able to see those things. DSC and then employee, these two columns will be deleted. Now see, it's gone. City and pin code, earlier it was there, earlier table, city and pin code was there. Now when you run alter command with these columns, so this is city and pin code is gone. City and pin code is gone, guys. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this, guys? Anyone? Swati, are you able to hear me? Swati dropped. So, okay, guys. Any doubt in drop command? One more thing. Okay, I'll share it. Okay, but you will be able to see those queries in your practice document also. This query is already available. See, you are able to see all the same query, employee columns, adding new columns, single column, multiple column, same query is there. So you don't have to depend on me. I already gave you a practice document. Okay. So one more question. The person is asking that here we are using column name. Here we are using column name. When we are deleting a single column, then we are using column name. So can't we use column name here? So column name, single column, when you are dropping single column, then they have given the syntax as you have to mention single column name with a column keyword. Single column name with a column keyword. But when you are dropping multiple columns, then you have to use under the single quote. Single quote only you have to use. Small bracket only you have to use. You can't use column here. If I'll use column here, consider that I'm using column here. Let me take another column and then let's take phone number. And then I'm using here column. Let me see whether it will work or not. It's not working. Okay. This column keyword is not working. In multiple columns, when you are dropping multiple columns, it's not working, guys. Okay, so for column keyword is for only single column. Column keyword for only single column. Multiple column if you want to delete, then column keyword will be not useful. Okay, so just see all possibilities. Just try multiple things and then let me know if any interesting things you will come to know. Now next one is renaming a column and renaming a table name. Read these two. Any doubt, please stop me, guys. Don't keep doubt in yourself. Okay, guys. So if you see here, renaming a column, as well as renaming a table name. If you have a requirement, to rename a column, if you have a requirement to rename a column, as well as if you want to rename a table name. Okay, so renaming a column as well as renaming a table name. So you have given some name, you have created a table name with some name, you have added some column with some name. Again, you have a requirement that you want to change the column name as well as the table name. Then we are going to use alter command to rename the column name plus if you want to rename a column name, then and table name, then you are going to use alter command with a rename keyword. Alter command with a rename keyword. So how can you rename a column? First, we'll discuss about the how can we rename the column, guys. How can we rename the column? Now, if you see here, we using alter command, we can rename a column. Using alter command, we can rename the column, guys. Using alter command, we can rename the column. How can we do that? Alter table name. This is common for all the alter command. Alter table name. Rename is the keyword. Rename is the keyword. Rename column. Rename column is the keyword. Rename column is the keyword. Old column name to old column name to new column name. Old column name to new column name. Old column name to new column name. Okay, so whatever the old column name is there, you want to change this name to any new column name. Like I want to change this one phone number to mobile number. I want to change this phone number to mobile number. Then we can use alter command rename method. Rename a column name. So alter table name. Rename column is the keyword. Column is the keyword. Old column name as phone number to mobile number, new column name. Okay, very simple this one. Then if you want to rename a table name, a table name, then it's very simple. Alter table name, rename to new table name. Rename to is a keyword here. Rename to is the keyword. Rename to. Okay. So alter table name, rename to new table name. Okay. Already you have taken the old table name, employee, and you want to give employee for batch 41. Then it will change to employee for batch 41 table name. New table name you want to give employee batch 41. It will take as a new table name. And this table name will not exist. The moment you will change the table name, you will not able to use the same table name. Whatever you have modified, that table name you have to take. That table name you have to take. Okay, this is the method how you can rename a column as well as how you can rename the table, guys. How you can rename a column as well as how you can rename the tables. Now, we'll see practically how we can do it. We have a query ready for this, renaming a column and renaming a table. So now if you see here, I want to rename. Which column I want to rename? What is the table we have? What are the columns we have? Yeah. So which column I want to rename in the first query, guys? Guys, are you sleepy?
Pin code.
Pin code. Do we have pin
Pin
code in
code
the
to zip code.
Do we have pin code in this table? We have deleted, correct?
Yeah,
Employee.
we deleted.
No.
Employee to employee. We are in India.
Employee ID to employee ID or phone number to
Employee number,
mobile
we
number.
can send employee
Employee
ID
to
to
employee name.
employee.
Let's take employee ID. Employee ID to
Employee number.
employee like number. Okay. So like this, you can change it. Now run and you will be able to see that.
Report.
Sorry. Okay. We have to take this one because I have not terminated our line. So it's taking that also. Now, table employee altered. Table employee altered. Okay. Now see the structure of this table. Employee ID become employee number. Okay. Now I want to change phone number to mobile number. Can we do that? Data type is not required. You are changing the column name only.
Column phone number to
Mobile number.
Phone number to
mobile number.
mobile number. Like this, mobile number. The moment I'll run this, it will change the phone number to mobile number. Table employee altered. See the structure. Phone number to mobile number change. Now, which table we are writing?
I have
Mhm.
one query. Can we rename multiple column?
Can we rename multiple column? No, only one column at a time.
Only one column. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now next one. Now which table name we are using? Employee is the table name we are using. Employee is the table name we are using. Here, employee is the table name we are using. Okay. So I want to change this employee to some different name. Let's make it as a batch 41. Batch 41. Now, if you'll refresh this one, no, you will be able to see that employee table name. Now see employee table name, you are able to see these are the columns are there. So now let me change this table name. Employee to employee batch 41. Batch 41 employee table. The moment I'll run this table, we are able to see the structure now. Let's brush it out. Now we are able to see the structure. Now, if you want to see the data, you can write a select a star from employee. Okay. So it will show something, but no data now. So now when I run this query, your table name will change. Your table name will change. Now see, table employee altered. Okay. Now see, employee become employee 41. When at the moment I'll run this one, it will throw error. Table employee does not exist. This one also, it will show error. It does not exist. Refresh it and see the new table name. Now see, are you able to see? Means whatever the earlier name was there, you will not able to use now. So what we have to use? We have to use new table name. All the places we have to use new table name. Whatever the structure was there earlier with this table, now you'll be able to see in this table. Now you will be able to see in this table. Now you run this and you will be able to see all the details. Earlier, whatever you were able to do, you are able to see this. Employee table now does not exist. Employee batch 41 it become. Clear? Is it clear? Everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Any doubt? So I'm changing. Go ahead.
Sir, for that one, DESC, it's the descending order, sir, of employee table.
No. It's a describe employee table. Describe table means what?
We can,
Show the structure of the table. If you want to see a table structure, whatever the columns, what are the data types for that column is there, then you have to write DSC and table name. It means describe table. DSC means describe.
yeah, okay.
Will show the structure of the table. Okay. Now I am renaming again back to
Sir, I have
call.
one doubt.
Go ahead.
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, like suppose we are alter the table, right? The employee to employee batch 41. So whatever the data is, that is also is moving into the same table. Whatever the data is there in the employee table, that is also moving into the
Just a second.
batch. Hello.
Just give me 1 minute, please. Yeah, tell me what is your question?
Hello. Actually, whatever the data is available in the employee table,
Hmm.
the data is also available in the same employee batch 41, right?
Yeah. The only table name will change.
That's all.
Whatever the
Okay.
properties will be there, employee table name, employee table, it will transfer to a batch 41. It will transfer to batch 41. Employee batch
Okay.
41.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank
Sir,
Tell me.
like after altering or renaming the table, can we, like, if you want to see the table means, can we go for the select star from employee only, or we can,
Once you change the table name, then the table will not exist. The table name will change to new table name. Old table name will not exist. If you want to
um,
see from
no,
the
no,
same
sir.
table name, then you have to rename it again.
No, sir, not that, sir. Like after altering, so we want to check means we will go for that describe, right?
Ah.
Why we can't go for that select star from employee table? It will also give the same answer.
You can go both the query I have written. No, DSC also select also. It's up to you which one you want to see. See, when you write DSC, go flip. When you write DSC, so you are able to see the column name plus structure. When you
Yeah.
when you write DSC, then you are going to write as you are able to see the structure plus you know column name as well as data type and length, everything here. When you write select a statement, you will be able to see only column name there and data, whatever the data you use is available, that only you are able to see. Now see. So now we have not added any data. So you'll able to see zero record here. You are able to see zero record here, but you are able to see the column name only. But data types, length, everything, those property you will not able to see. If you want to see column name with the data type and length, then you are going to use DSC keyword. Then you are going to use DSC keyword. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question, anyone? Next question, anyone else? Okay. Now I'm changing again batch 41 to employee. So it will be changed. Okay. Now next one is Modifying data type and size. Just read this one. This is the last topic of alter command. Read this one, guys. Six. Okay, guys. So now if you see here, how can we modify the data type and size? How can we modify the data type and size? Then we are going to use alter command. Alter table name. Modify the keyword, guys. Modify is the keyword. Modify is the keyword. Alter table name. Just a second, guys. Let me throw them out. Sorry for disturbance. So now I want to modify the data type and size. I want to modify the data type and size. I want to modify the data type and size. So what will happen here? Alter table name, modify column 1, column type, size, column 2, column type, column n, column type. Like this you will do it. Like this you will do it. So you will see here column 1, column type, size. So, okay, so now if you see here, sorry guys again. So column 1, column type, size. So means what? Column 1, whatever the data type you see, if you want to change that, so you will mention here like I want to change the column type. Maybe a data type from varchar to number or number to varchar or date. If I want to change, then we can change it here. And how much size you want to give, you can give that also. N number of column, you can change the data type and size. So modify the keyword, guys. Modify is the keyword. Alter table name. Modify is the keyword. So if you see the syntax, how it is happening. Now if you see here, alter table name. Okay, employ the table name, modify the keyword, and we are changing it to first name varchar2 and 50. So what is the first name? What is the first name data type we have? We have varchar2, and then what is the length? 20. Now I want to change to 20 to 500. Consider that I want to change 20 length to 500. Then it is possible to change the length here, as well as the data type also you can change. Now if you see here, the moment I'll run this, 20 will become 500. 20 will become 500. Now see, employee ID are altered. If you see the structure of this column, DSC employee, then you will be able to see that this is changed. 500. It become 500. Now employee ID, if I want to change employee number to number to varchar2. I want change this number to varchar2, and more number also we can assign. More number also we can assign. Okay, so we'll see that how can we do that. Employee number varchar2 500 or anything 50. The moment you will run this one, it will change from number to varchar2, number to varchar2. It will change to number to varchar2. Now see, table employee altered. We are changing the data type as well as the length. Now see, it's changed to number to, earlier it was number, and then it's changed to varchar2 as well as 50 is got assigned. Now same thing, consider that mobile number is varchar2. Now I'll change this mobile number to number. Mobile number to number. Now see, I'm going to change this to number. Number 50, which will work, guys. Can we assign 50 to number?
No, we can't.
Yes,
Only
So we
38.
can't do it. It will throw error. Precision S square, numeric precision S square is out of range. 1 to 38 only we can assign, but we are assigning 50 here. The moment we'll run this, it will throw error. So we have to give some range between 1 to 38 only. So now I'm changing to mobile number varchar2 number. Varchar2 number. So it's got, acha, what is the name there? Mobile number like this, it's there. So table employee altered. Now see, varchar2 become number now. Varchar2 become number. Clear, guys? Everyone clear? Everyone clear?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So now what we'll do, we are remaining with one more topic that we'll see next class. I don't want to throw everything in one day because it will be too much. Okay. So this topic we'll see to next class. Next class will be on Friday, next Friday, coming Friday, and we'll see this one, as well as we'll see some of the question also. So this one we'll see next class, as well as we'll start with the DML command. DML is also very important for the interview. DML is also very important for interview. So in DML, we are going to see all these topics, and these are the topics very important for the interview. So we have to learn this one. Once and Friday we'll try to complete the DML, and Saturday we'll start SQL functions. So functions will take 3 classes. Functions will take 2.5 to 3 classes to complete all functions, because we are going to discuss about the detailed level of function. Because in when you will be working on a company, it will be like you are gonna use lots of functions, as well as when you will be attending interview, they will ask you question from the functions also directly. So altogether, it will take 2.5 classes. So next week again, I feel like we are gonna complete DML and function. Okay, so be available, join classes regularly, and if you'll pay the fees, that will be good. I once the like now I'm taking 1 hour 15-minute class only. So the moment the batch will be finalized, I'll able to take 1.5 hour class or 1 hour 45-minute class on Saturday, Sunday. So just uh, uh, pay the fees, enroll for the class, and then once the batch will be finalized, it will be good for you. We can put lots of effort on your this thing. Okay, so I'll share the my details, like UPI details and all. You can pay in that, and then we'll see that one. Okay, so next class will be on Friday. This class recording will be there in a YouTube only. I'll share the link in the in your WhatsApp group. If you are not added to the WhatsApp group, let me know. Okay, guys, bye everyone. Any doubt, let me know. Okay, guys, no doubt. Bye
No.
everyone. Thank you.